It's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of How to Model Kitchen in Revit. In today's class, we'll see how to continue with our drawing. And a friend of mine commented on when will we start rendering. You don't have to bother, my friend. We are definitely going to render this kitchen out. First interior, then I will do a lesson course for the exterior render. Then brother, I will be there. And also for how to create families. I would also bring out that lesson, but just be patient with me enough. Let me do it step by step so that some other people can understand what I am really trying to do here. Thank you very much for your comment. If you have any question, you can send it to me. Okay, in today's class, let's see how we're going to put some doors to our cabinets. You see, all these doors, all of here there will be a door, here, each and every place there will be a door. Here there should be a gas cooker. We're going to model something simple but not big, not as a family but as just extrusions, simple extrusions. So we're going to model something out, but it's not going to be big. But anyways, let's begin by creating our doors. Or should I say, should we create the cooker first so that we'll see what is at hand? Sorry, it's supposed to be a model in place. Model in place. I believe is either electrical equipment or encourage. Here, let's use this. Good. And then press on OK. We can even use generic model, no problem. Then we are going to create how does a cooker looks like. A cooker looks like there should be a glass panel, and there should be a metal, and I think there should also be a handle to bring down our lid. So let's see how to create this glass panel, lid, and a handle. Not much, but a few. So how will it look like? It's not supposed to overlay with this one here. It's supposed to come out a bit further so that it will be protruding, but let's do it the modernized way. Modern kitchens, cookers does not come out, it's embedded inside. Okay, let's extrude. Select a plane. For now, let me use these ones, the ones we have created this as my plane. Okay, I would like to have a rectangular. You see, this is my cooker, cooker, and here I would like to have my oven right here. But first of all, here should be our control. What do I mean by controls? Those things, the adjustments for our cooker, for our gas cooker. And then let me just control D. Let me just create a complete panel, then follow it up. So most of the time our gas cooker does not go all the way to the ground. There is a space, a bit of a space. So, and I want something here which is for our glass panel. Let me offset it by, let me say minus 1000 is too much. Let me make it 300. I don't think 300 is okay. 300 is also too much. I don't know the size. Yeah, 300 is also too much. You see, 300 is also too much. Let me make it 100 is better. Nice. And think, I'm starting this from the ground, and I did not put my minus sign. Okay, nice. Now I think it should be around this region here. I think it's okay, this region, and then okay. I will have my lady here, I will specify all of them and then press on OK. I have this for now. What do I do next? I would like to have a line flush in here and another line flush in here too. So what do I do? Let me create a void extrude, a void extrusion. Set a plane. Let me make this plane to be still this one, and let me create my void extrusion. Pick a line, but I'm going to offset it by, let's say 100. I don't know, 100 is too much. Let me make it 70. Nice. And then let me offset it by 5. Good. And let me close up the loop. Oh, sorry, my offset is still there. And then create it. Okay, I have my void extrude here. So we are going to create something again, which is we're going to copy, sorry, we're going to copy it from here. We're going to copy to, let's say, maybe here, and then copy again. I can decide to put multi-copy, but good. And then I guess let me make it at roughly the same distance at the top. Okay, so this one here, click on it, it's not tallying with, I've noticed it's not tallying with this here. Good, nice. So this our void extrude is coming out from where to where. We need to adjust the distance. I do not want it to come out. Let me go to floor plan 1. It's starting here, right? Good. So I don't want this to come out too much. Let me go to my section, go to this view. This is too much. 250 is too much. My lead should extrude for about, let's say, the thickness should be 20. Nice. If it is 20, go to floor plan 1. I don't want it to cut to this, because if it cuts to the end, it's going to show me under the cooker, under the cabinet. So I want it to be just a cut to the middle. Understand, right? And then go back to my section again. Good. Press on select, press cut, and then select what you want to cut. It's done. Okay, escape. Then press select, press on cut, and then select what you want to cut. It's also done. We're going to check it out whether it's really done or not. Cut, and then select the face again. I'm going to check if it's really done or not. You see, it's roughly looking like a cooker. I can't really say realism, but it's looking like one. Let's put a section here. We would like to see if, go to view, if it really cuts the way we want it to. Wireframe. And you see, this is not part of it. It's the line of the next one there, and the other side is not part of it. I believe our line is cut to the appropriate distance. Go to 3D. Maybe I can show you much more clear. These graphics issues is always disturbing me due to. Okay, you see what I mean? I have the cut here. I have the other one here too. So, what next? I would like to model a very small handle. Nothing fancy, but a very small one. Okay, and then let's go back to floor plan. This elevation, I do not want it anymore. I'll limit the reference. I'm going to create another new elevation, but not now. Let me finish with this side first. Go to view. Let's create handle. These are handle. Let's create it from floor plan. It's much more better. And let's go to component. Instead of creating a new component, just double tap on the old one and then edit in place. You are not editing this one, you are going to create a new one. Good. And let's have something like a curvature. Good. I don't know if it's too much, and let me offset it by 1000 is too much. Let me offset it by 10. It should be okay. Nice. And then I will trim it up. Trim to extend. Good. And trim to extend. Nice. And then click on finish. Let's go to our section. Let's reduce the height of our handle, because the handle will be very long. I know that. You see what I'm saying? Okay, no need of taking measurement. We all know where you want it to be. So I want it to be at the center of this place. Alright, How do I centralize it? I will copy, remove constraint. If you cannot move it down upwards, the constraint has been activated by itself. Okay, and then here, oh sorry, I said copy, Control Z. It's move, and to do remove the constraint, you can move it any way you want. Oh, I remove the constraint, it's still not giving me what I want. Computers are having issue. My computer is okay. There are constraint. Control Z, there is constraint to the height. Let's just leave it this way. I don't want to disturb myself too much, but I think you get what I want to do. Let me show you what I mean. I can't say it's the best cooker, but it's the best oven, but you can see it's really coming out okay. Not much, but okay. Let's create this other glass extrusion. Let's create an extrusion. Let's go to this section. Good, and create an extrusion. Set a plane. I want this plane to be the face of my destin. Take the rectangular tool and then click it here and then finish. All you have to do is reduce it backwards. Go to floor plan. I would like, this is my face, right? I would like this one to go backwards to this place, and the other one, you know, our glass should not be aligned with our metal lid. It should be a bit backwards. Good. To this place is okay. For you to differentiate between this and that is material use. We will change the material later on, but for now let's leave it this way. Okay, nice. Let's finish it and let's see it in our 3D mode. Cancel. You see, it's looking a bit like a cooker, but I can't say it's the best in town right now, but it's okay. Right, nice. Okay, let's go back to our floor planner section and let's create the doors. Create, go to view, let's create our doors. Go back to double tap on this one, edit. I want to create and do a new one. Let's say extrusions. Yes, I want the entire face of this guy. Okay, it's going to be a bit tough, but you don't have to bother much. We're going to take it from here all the way down to somewhere here. Let me just complete it to here. It's 10. Later on we're going to change. Just Control Z. Take it all the way from the top. There should be no spaces between them, and then all the way to this place, I think, if I'm not mistaken. No, I want it to be 600. Good. I will later show you what I mean by this. and then pick line. You see what I want to do? So I will offset it by the first we chose 10. The distance between here and here is 10, right? Let's make it offset of 2, or let's say 2.5. And then the distance between the lead two cabinet doors should be 0.5 mm. I think the accuracy is even too big. Let's make it 2. I want it to be very small. The distance should be very tiny, very tiny. That's what I want. Let me leave it at 4 because I want a very accurate. Nice. Nice. And this one I would like it to be this way. Good. Same thing goes to this guy too. Same thing goes to the other guys. I don't know the time now, but I believe this video is getting too long. But let me try finishing this one and then let's round off for the day. I can't remember increasing the distance between this one. It's a bit too thick, but no problem. Let's ignore it for now. I'm going to reduce it backwards. Okay, and I think that's all. And here I want it to be to this place, and here leave it there, and then split. Oopsie. Control Z. Why is it not? Supposed to just split. I don't know why it's acting weird now. I don't know what's wrong with my split element today. It's acting weird. Okay, here I'd like to split here too, and I would like to split here too. Nice and nice. Here I will have to put another extrusion here underneath this cooker, but for now let's ignore it. Oh come on, by 4. I think that's what I did, by 4. Okay, I guess it's okay. And then see, the level of accuracy should be very much. Not everybody loves to see gaps between cabinet doors. The gaps will be barely visible because of the level of accuracy. Some people don't want to even see it outside. They want it to be practically invisible because it's more finer. It's more appealing to the eye. Not okay. Nice. And then here, I said I'm going to adjust this place. Yeah, let me adjust. Let me make it distance of 2, and then put it this way. Split. Look at this thing. It's not working out correctly. Okay. And then down there, split it again. And then it's a bit hectic modeling a kitchen, modeling a dotted line overlaid. I believe there is an overlaid line here. Where is the overlaid line? Control Z. I can't control Z. I can't really see any overlaid line right now. And you know, it says there is an overlaid line, but I can't see any. But let's see. Sorry, control Z. Maybe I think it's my eyes. But okay. Okay. Pick line again. That's it. Okay. 5. Cancel. Just delete it for now, and let me finish this one here. I'm done with these ones. I think I'm done with them too. No, I'm not done with this, please. Okay. I done with you too? Yeah, I'm done with you too. What have you? Yeah, I'm done too. Okay. I think I can press okay. What have I done? Holy moly. Is it really? Holy moly. Wait. Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I thought I did a mistake. That's why I was saying holy moly. Sorry, I thought I did a mistake. So there was no mistake. I want it to be 10 also. Nice. I thought I did a mistake. That was the reason. Okay, this I would like to reduce this. Like I said, go to section. Come on. Section. Go to view. I'm going to reduce this distance here is too much. The distance from here to here is too much for my like. This is 18.8. It's way too much. I'd like to reduce it to roughly this. And let's see. 11.6. I mean, let me just leave it this way. So this, not here, you edit, and then pick line, and then good, and then press on OK too. And then we are done with this. We are done with creating our lid. We closed every portion. Okay, sorry, not every portion. Underneath this place, I said we're going to have to close it up because it's going to look very dirty if it's happened. So one thing I usually do is, since it's not a movable place, it's not going to be opened. Let me make it this. No, it should be below. Okay, it's okay. It should be below this and then to here. Then offset this guy by this guy. I'm sorry. Control D. I should have said this guy to this guy. This to this, and then this to this. And let's see. Yeah, it's closed now. Let's see it in 3D. You see we have all our cabinet closed. So we have all our cabinet closed to our desired distance, but here it's kind of awkward not to have a space here. It's really awkward. It's looking so unrealistic, joining this place and this place. Pick line, and then trimmer. Yeah, unjoin. I'll create yours later. Yeah, unjoin. will create yours later. Okay, I have it this way, and let's get it done and ready, and let's see. You see, now it's much more better. It's looking a bit okay. It's looking okay. So guys, I think we're going to stop here for today. This video is getting too long. We're going to stop here for today, guys. Really, it's getting too long. Okay, try out those and see if it's going to take you a long period of time to finish it, but try it out, guys. Let's meet up tomorrow. We're going to put the cabinet here and hopefully put some doors and some how will I say, some extrusions or beautifications to our panels here and here to make it much more better or aesthetically pleasing. So okay guys, thank you very much. Like and subscribe this video. Do comment if you have any question. Do follow up this video slowly because I'm taking it slowly so that some can understand. Some are not fast at grabbing, but I know some are very fast. Some are saying, why am I too slow? Bear with me please. I'm slow because of others. Alright, thank you for watching. Let's meet same time tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Bye.